Small wheel attachment. Four different size small wheels. Movable tool rest. Different size contact wheels. I think this is an 8-inch and this is a 6-inch. the grinder. It's really easy to change belts. Pull the arm down till the arm stays down. Brilliant. Also, with the platen, obviously you've got the flat platen, a slack belt, and then you can use one of the, you can use a contact wheel on its own, or by turning this little locking lever. I also got the tilting table. I haven't made enough room for it yet, but eventually I will. So you know it works. Brilliant bed kit. All done. Thank you for watching, and I know this is a little bit different, quite a lot different to my other videos. I thought I'd just give you a little insight into opening and using my new grinder, which hopefully will mean that I can build better things. I'll be doing another video soon where I build my new forge, so let me know in the comments if you'd be interested in seeing that. I also want to take this chance to say thank you to everyone for supporting me along the way. I passed 100,000 subscribers, it really means a lot. I never thought I'd even get there. Thank you to my patrons, you guys have helped out loads on these travels, and thank you to everyone on Instagram. I'd like to thank as well John from Multitool products, where I got this grinder from. He's been a real big help. He's the guy I get all my belts from for my grinder. He does lots of different size belts, and he's now started doing these grinders, and then he does the little multi-tool grinders which you can add onto your bench grinders, which are pretty wicked things as well. So I'll put a link to his website in the description, so go check it out and check out one of those grinders if you want one. Hit him up. While you're here, watch some of my other videos. See you next time. Don't forget, merchandise is available. Hit me up on Instagram, link below. Thank you. I've been using this grinder for a week now, and I'm honestly really happy with it. I still haven't got around to using all the accessories, but it's just so easy to use. I think I love it. I tried to sneak it in the bedroom one night, and my missus wasn't very happy, so I brought it back in the shed. But I've been thinking about putting a bed in the shed next to it.